It's a beautifully written. I was reading it. I received that book just yesterday only. The interesting part is the whole concept of mudra speaks something about the Bharatiya philosophy and lifestyle. Every morning in the traditional Indian family, when people get up, they chant Karagri Vasete Lakshmi Karamadde Saraswati Karimuletu Govinda Prabhate Karadarshana. Right? The accessibility to divine is there in your palm only. In the Mahabharata, it is explained that Tirthas, the word Tirtha, some generally people translate it as a holy water. But when you hear that word in your own mother tongue, Tirtha, you can feel it. There is a bhava, there is an emotion, there is feeling. So within our finger, there are Deva Tirtha, Rishi Tirtha, the Pitri Tirtha, right? So there is so much of divinity placed within our palm only. That is the beauty, because if divine is very difficult to access, then that divinity becomes the, meant for only few elite people. Sometimes people say spirituality is the privilege of the super rich and elite class. They have everything in their life, so therefore they can choose spirituality. So the very reason of spirituality is defeated, it becomes very rare. And therefore in the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna explains, he says, Manushyanam Sahasreshu. Very few people actually try to understand. At the same time he says, Baho Jnana Tapasa Putamad Bhavamagata. Many in the past. One is the rarity of it, at the same time accessibility, and anyone who tries to connect to this principle of yoga, mudra, mantra, they can experience it. Like Premalata ji was speaking about her own experience. It is not simply a theory book. When you actually open and read, you will realize the person, nowadays you can write book very easily in 3 days. No? It gives you a false confidence कि मेरा किताब बन गया क्योंकि चैट जीपीटी है ना, right? Very easy to write.
3 minutes, not 3 minutes.
Huh?
3 minutes. Canva है.
Yeah, you are saying less than that, right? But यहाँ आप देख सकते हो, you can see there is a profound experience. There is a practice, there is a sadhana, right? It is not information based, it is based on impact, right? And therefore, in the dharmic tradition, the word rishi, the rishi word is not based upon belief, the word rishi is based upon experience. Rishi means those who are seers, जो देखते हैं. Therefore, when people raise this question, where is God? And when people try to answer that question, both are actually redundant. The question is redundant, the answer is redundant, because God is not meant to be explained. Yoga is not supposed to be explained. Mantra is not supposed to be explained. When you invest your energy into these 3 things, you get great experience. It is Vigyan, it is wisdom. Right, when you do pranayam, she is also added into her mudras, pranayam also. You don't have to convince people. So when you impose something, like Socrates said, truth is very personal. And when truth is imposed, that very truth which you have experienced becomes cause of violence. So himsa ka karan banta hai. Right? Truth is supposed to be experienced rather than imposed. Therefore, the word Shraddha is different from faith. इसलिए भारतीय संस्कृति में श्रद्धा का प्रचार नहीं होता. उसका शिक्षण होता है, उसकी विद्या होती है, उसको पढ़ा सकते हो, उसको एम्पावर कर सकते हो, उनको फैसिलिटेट कर सकते हो, राइट? एंड therefore these are all, and therefore we see when people do this, more than telling others, they are going deeper into their own self. I remember meeting some extremely well-learned scholars of Sanskrit. And I was telling him the irony is that you people do not speak, and those who don't know, they're all over on the reels. जिनको बहुत कम आता है वो लोग सब इसकी चर्चा करते हैं, जिनको आता है वो बहुत कम बातें करते हैं. Because in my mother tongue there is a saying, तुम्बिद कोड़ा तुडुकोदिल्ला. In mother tongue, in Kannada, the pot which is full, it does not make sound. Right? So therefore, what I liked about this book is, it is not simply an information center. As a teacher, typically she is presented with her own experience. It is a small book because today people, by seeing a big book, that is the biggest discouragement. अरे इतना बड़ा कौन पढ़ेगा? It is a small but impactful book, like a sutra. And practicing rather than simply reading, even beginning with 2 mudras, like she was explaining, she began her own life by practicing 2 mudras, Shambhavi mudra and Jnana mudra. And उसका अनुभव करने के कारण she felt I need to go deeper. And I've seen this. I'm part of an alternative schools. I visited more schools than holy places. And I just came from that school in Bengaluru. And their Sangeet teacher was telling me, he teaches classical Sangeet. When he entered into that department of studying Sangeet, he was well educated, he had a good job. But one fine day, he had this Sharanagati. मुझे यहाँ पूर्णतया समर्पण करना है संगीत के लिए. It was not caused by comparing with others, being impressed by others. अंदर से एक प्रेरणा आ गई कि मुझे करना है. तो उसके बॉस को जब भी बताया कि I want to dedicate my life to studying संगीत, the boss said क्या है ना, बेंगलुरु में लोकल ट्रेन भी नहीं, भीख भी नहीं मांग सकता तो. He said, I want to do this, please allow me. He took blessings of his parents, dedicated his life, next 4 years, every day sitting at the feet of his guru, right? Therefore, Upanishad is not worshipping guru like a cult figure. जहाँ उनके साथ में रहते हुए 4 साल जो उन्होंने अनुभव किया, he said, as much as you give time, that much Sangeet becomes a vast ocean. And he was telling about one student. A student had a brass, he was not able to sing. वो केवल अंदर से गुनगुना रहा था. And as we were talking, after half an hour, that boy, he couldn't resist himself. वो गाने लगा, practice करने लगा. He said, sir, that is what music and learning is. It is driven internally, and therefore whether mudra, yoga, mantra, they are not preached, they are experienced, they are felt. So you become part of that Rishi Parampara. And therefore mudra, it is the most easiest way to feel the spiritual vibration, not only on the platform of Atma, on the mental platform, on the intellectual platform. I generally do when people come for mediation. Because I'm part of the school, a lot of parents have issues with their children. And when they come, they have a lot of complaints. Both. The child has a complaint about the parents. Parents have complaints about the child. So there is a lot of breathing is happening. Unhealthy breathing. वो प्राण नहीं है, वो केवल श्वास है. लोगों को जलाता है. लोग करते हैं मुद्रा मोबाइल फोन पर, right? Moving back and forth. Imagine that, sir, creating a vicious circle of mudra, having no confidence and hope about their future. देखो कितना गलत प्रकार के मुद्राओं को हम कर ही रहे हैं. I'll conclude in 5 minutes. I was speaking to one steward. She said we have a special training to deal with the Gen Zs, our employees plus the passenger. And she was speaking about one passenger who was sitting with her, a Korean girl. Within 15 minutes, she flew from Qatar. 15 मिनट के अंदर उसके दोनों हाथ, मे बी 18 or 19-year-old girl, both hands were shaking. Now because she's trained, you have to approach them carefully, because if you say something that will be like body shaming. आजकल अगर आप कुछ भी बोलोगे, right, it is not taken in the sportive spirits. तो उसके साथ जैसे बात करना चाहिए जाकर बात करने लगी. And that girl said, if the mobile phone में इंटरनेट नहीं है, तो this is a natural phenomena I experience. पूरा उसका हाथ ना वाइब्रेट करता है, as if she is like an 80-year-old lady. So that is the power of using our hand mudras wrongly. And here is the book Premlata ji is providing very simple, vital information. By using these mudras, we can experience that transformation. It is not only to be heard. When you practice, we can experience that. Thank you for inviting.